Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is my second video in my video series on my 30-day challenge. And what the 30-day challenge is where you do a video and a blog post on a specific topic every day for 30 days. And this specific topic is on affiliate marketing. Now, I did a video and a blog post yesterday, and today's topic is on affiliate marketing process. Yesterday it was on affiliate marketing concept. So anyway, now we're going to go in and watch the video. It is a video that I'd already done in the past. So anyway, let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is the second video in my training series on affiliate marketing. And this video is on the next steps. These are kind of basic steps, but we must have a basic understanding after the concepts to know how the process works. The advertiser or promoter of a product or service puts a special link that he or she gets from the product creator or merchant on his website, blog, newsletter, etc. When someone clicks on this link, a cookie is planted on their browser, and if a purchase is made, then the advertiser or promoter of the product makes a commission. The advertiser or promoter gets this link from an affiliate network that both the advertiser and the product creator are members of. So that's the process and how the advertiser gets a commission. So the advertiser, the affiliate, puts a special link on his website, blog, newsletter, and he gets a special link from the product creator. And when someone clicks on this link, they get a commission. They get this link from an affiliate network that both are members of. So that's the process and how they get paid on the internet. So now we'll move on into the next training. Okay, that was my video on affiliate marketing process. I hope you learned something. I know it's a basic video, but these videos will get longer and more advanced, because you do have to learn the basics before you can go into the more advanced stuff in affiliate marketing or anything. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.